subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new affordable smartphone under Y series in Indonesia called Vivo Y21s, and it is slightly an upgraded version of the recently launched Vivo Y21 smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y21s features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 89% screen-to-body ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM that can be expanded up to 1GB by using internal storage, and there is 128GB of onboard storage, which is also expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y21s supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a squarish model at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 with FunTouchOS 11.1 skin on top, and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and for gaming it has Multi-Double 5.0 Plus Ultra Game Mode features. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.26 by 76.08 by 8mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y21s has been priced in Indonesia at 2,799,000 Indonesian rupiahs, and it is now available for purchase in the country in midnight blue and pearl white color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y21s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.